Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We are here at a house in downtown, beautiful Sanford, Florida. Had a homeowner call that had a roof replaced back in 2016. They got a letter from the insurance company saying they need to do a roof inspection before they'll renew them. So that's real simple. People ask me, what do you do for this roof inspection? What we're going to do is we're going to do exactly what the insurance company asked for. We're going to look at these slopes, take some pictures, and just give them a general kind of synopsis of what kind of shape the roof is in. Being on this roof, it's a nice little 7-pitch here. The roof's in fantastic shape. Whoever did this roof did a great job. Good looking ridge vent here. Red chalk lines. When you use red chalk to chalk line a valley, but red chalk stays forever. So this is 5 years old, and this chalk line will be here for the next, well, till the roof's replaced again. Anyway, roof looks great. I'm going to give a super favorable report so these people get a good insurance rate. Recommend they do a wind mitigation, 4-point inspection. Really knock those insurance rates down. This is Sean, been with XLR8 Roofing. You guys be kind to each other.